Hello. In this presentation, I want to show you how easy it is to use the trading game data updater. Now, when you open the updater, it will open with this screen. This screen's broken into three panes. The first is titled Alerts. The Alerts page simply tells you when there is an alteration to your database. So if on the weekend there is a change, such as stocks are added, stocks are deleted, or there's a corporate action, you'll get a little message here telling you what's about to occur. Now, if we move down to the next pane, this will actually tell you when the exchanges have closed and when their interim and final updates are ready. For example, if I click on the NYSE, I can see that we've got aftermarket trading. I can see what the local time is. I can see that the final edition for yesterday is available for download, and the market close or interim edition for today is now available for download. In the bottom pane, I can simply see local times for each of the markets. So I know when each of the markets is open, when each of the markets are closed. Now, to update the data, I could click simply on the update button. And what that will do is take me to the update screen. The update will start automatically. Instead, I'm going to click on the update tab because there's one or two things I want to show you. The first is we have a series of servers from which you can download your data. So if one server is congested or down, you can click on the other one. I traditionally leave this just on the Cascade facility. What that means is it will search through looking for a server it can hit and download the data from. In this small box down here, it will tell me when the last edition for my data was updated for the various exchanges that I've subscribed to. For example, for the ASX, you can see that I have the final edition for the 4th of the 3rd. For Amex, I have the data for yesterday, the 3rd of the 3rd. Same for NASDAQ, NYSE, over-the-counter, US indices, and the like. Now, to update the data is a very, very simple process. All I simply do is click the update button. The update will now log on for me, and it will begin to drag down any new updates for my data. Now, what it will do is it will look back to the last time my data was updated, be it yesterday, 2 weeks ago, a month ago, and it will simply start redistributing the data from that date. And this process will continue until you're finally updated, and the system will just stop itself and tell you when it's finished. So using our data and updating your data is as simple as making 2 mouse clicks. And 2 mouse clicks saves you from having to do this manually, from having to go through the process yourself, because you want to concentrate on the process of trading, not on the process of being a database administrator.